Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you the right way to earn money. There are so many ways to earn. I will tell you a very easy way to earn. Just follow me and subscribe. Watch my complete video. You have to go to your Play Store and you have to install app Play Game. Increase your coins. Watch ads to get more coins with rewards just like iPhone cameras, LED headset, and get Amazon coupon. Increase dollar through coins, more earn cash. So let's see. I earn $200. Watch my video.
Open the Play Store and you have to install app Crazy Plinko. I have already installed. I open. So now app is open. Reward show. Watch right or left side. Gift card show prices ABC. PayPal coin light clear and see on the top of the side Amazon card show dollar cash out processing. I have already earned $200. Let's see and play complete. Reward price listed iPhone cameras, headset, Apple smartwatch, many more. Click the claim button and see ads for watch price listed puzzle bubble price listed cameras Microsoft Facebook Galaxy Apple Watch many more gifts rewards lucky spin play lucky spin then earn gifts. Wow, again play and click on claim. In balloon show bags, check your Amazon card, check cash out PayPal complete $200 and then claim, get more coins tokens. Let's see.
$2,000. Hell no. I ain't for the real cash game and get the $2,000.
No way.
Uninstall the real cash game and get the $2,000.
Seriously? No one's willing to uninstall the real cash game. Spend 10 minutes on it every day. I earn $500 in a week. And I don't need to withdraw. It pays directly to my PayPal. My friends, download now. You can get a $100 bonus. Below is the only official link. Tap the download button and you get your money.